Ow! Okay. Me and my friend Shark A. Well, I know him as Mark because that's my friend in real life, but our YouTube group knows him as Shark A.
Oh
And,
my gosh!
And
should we jump out?
I think we're one of the first to discover this, like in the new update today. Jesus. Ah! It's a long way down, but we're not scared.
Come here.
What the hell is in there?
Okay, let's jump down.
And just go straight down. When does this end? I'm fucking weird. Well, this is definitely opening up in a new update whenever. Go. Do you think there's gonna be like a new monster?
Yes.
Or do you think this connects to the heart?
They were saying there's gonna be a new monster.
I think we'll figure that out.
Hello?
Oh? This is hella annoying. I see an opening! How many openings is there? Jesus!
Yo, what the hell?
How far does this go down?
Holy crap!
Bro, can we just like end this already? Damn, I've been recording for like 2 minutes.
Oh, wait, what the hell? Be careful! There must be some booby traps and some boobies.
I like boobies.
I think we're gonna jump down. Wait, hold up.
If it's the heart, I'm not going down.
Okay, with the control. 3, 2, 1.
Control!
Ah, you hit me.
I don't like this at all. What the fuck? What the fuck? Mark?
Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend.
My friend. It's hella laggy, but I think I can live.
Watch out, my friend. It's 4 is up, my
It's
friend.
hella laggy.
My friend. Hurry, my friend, because 4 is up, my friend.
It's hella laggy.
What the Sigma? What the Sigma?
You got the. So that's the new monster. Okay.
Okay.
Wait, I can't get up there. I can't get up there. I can't get up there. Oh my god. Wait, I can't get up there. Now I can.
Come on.
What do we do?
No, you're not gonna help me.
Thank you.
You have to stay away. You have to stay from sight, I guess. Okay, like.
They're here. So what do we gotta do?
I don't know. Follow me. Oh, kill you? Oh yeah. Don't touch that. Don't touch that.
I think I haven't realized that. Jesus. What if I died there?
It doesn't do it. Oh my gosh.
Ah!
Oh, what's up?
Don't look. No.
Oh, you died.
Yeah, I died. My game is hella laggy, bro.
I'll make it on one piece, I promise.
You fucking better.
Escape.
You have a lot of shit that I don't.
I escaped.
I bet you did.
Where you at?
Where was the escape? I died to an explosion.
You had to like jump into that big orb like in the middle. Okay, so I guess we can just sell the stuff we have right now.
I don't like that giant guy. What did we get out of that? No, empty out your backpack. What do we have? Then we got gold, and that's it.
Okay, so let's go to a better place. See, that's the first time I've ever seen that place, so that's why we didn't like do that good.
That was not worth our death. I'm pretty sure. Wait, actually.
Ours.
Anyway,
Oh,
guys.
you.
Wait, maybe that's not worth my death. But...
Take that.
But come up here. So we can do the end video, intro, whatever.
Oh, you're digging me.
So that's it for the new update. So that's what was in that giant area. It was very fun to play, but not very fun to die. Anyway, see ya! Jesus.